Yo, 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 welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Sorry it's been a bit of a while. We've done a lot of work in the background since my last video on our 6-bed HMO conversion. We're today at one of our BRR to SA properties. This is a lovely 4-bed, 4-bath thatched barn conversion here in Norfolk. We've done an extensive renovation on the property, and this is now going to generate over £36,000 a year in net profit. If we take a quick look around outside, first of all, as you can see, we've done a brand new thatch roof. So this roof has been completely hauled out and a brand new thatch roof put on it. Cement fillings up the side, a new ridge on the top there as well. They have managed to salvage the lead underneath the window there. That's good for another 20 years, but this has now brought this thatch roof back to life, and this barn's now all good for another 20 years there as well. And then if we swing around, as you can see here, we've got a bit of a carport for the tractor, got a double garage, which the goal is in the future, once these Airbnbs are up and running and, you know, fully fledged, we're probably going to look at converting this garage, maybe turn it into a little dormer bungalow, make it a lovely little lodge for the Airbnb market as well. And we'll plop an Airbnb under there, or plop a hot tub under there as well, you know. Over here, we've also got stables. So at the moment, currently, this is housing some of the horses in the local area. We have a lady that liveries her horses from there as well. But the goal is to turn this into kind of like a spa area in the future. Where we'll have like a hot tub and a sauna and a steam room and everything in this kind of area as well. So we're going to definitely make some changes there as well. And then again, if we come on through, we'll show you this part of the barn first. So this is the first half, which is going to sleep 10 people. And then we have the annex on the end, which is going to sleep another 6 people in the Airbnb market as well. So come on in. So we're still doing a little bit of the setup at the moment. So bear in mind there's some furniture around at the moment, but we'll head straight upstairs first and I'll show you what is going on up there. So when we've renovated this property, what we've had to do is we've had to fully paint and decorate throughout, brand new carpets and flooring throughout the property as well. But all this lovely woodwork in the property, instead of getting rid of it and replacing it, we've decided to sand it, varnish it, and make it all look, you know, fresh and new, ready for this market as well. And then again, we'll start down this end. Throughout the property, we had quite a lot of oak doors. So if you look at this door here, some of the doors were already oak, and then some of them were their old kind of panel doors. So what we've decided to do is replace the ones that were old panel doors and turn them into all oak, you know. So this door was one we found, and again, we didn't want to find brand new ones because we want them to have a bit of a barn feel as well. So in here, this is the airing cupboard. You know, it's fairly self-explanatory. You've got your hot water, your heating, and this kind of prepares all of the hot water in the whole property. This was a doorway, and this went into the final bedroom in this barn, but we've blocked this doorway off to now make it the self-contained annex as well. So we'll take you through that in a minute. We've then got one bedroom. This bedroom is set up to sleep 3, so we have a double bed here, and then a separate single bed as well. And we'll go through the Jack and Jill. But again, the whole point of this Airbnb is to try and maximize the amount of occupants that can stay in it. So if people coming down here to Norfolk for the Broads, they can bring large family and friends. If they're coming for weddings, you know, we really want to maximize what this Airbnb can use for. And if I'll show you why, if you look out the windows here, this is all marshland, which will never be built on. And across over there, you probably see on the skyline, that is the Broads. So if you walk down this road a little bit, you can get to the Broads in around 15, 20 minutes as well. So really good location for the Broads. Then we're going through the Jack and Jill. So this was a full new bathroom suite we put in here. We've got, you know, a corner shower, toilet, sink. We went for this cool tile-looking laminate flooring as well. Lino flooring to make it really pop. And then again, if we go into this bedroom, same again, sleeps one person there, 2 people over there. We've got a little sofa bed as well, so that can even sleep some more people. And again, you've got that beautiful view as well. In the future, the goal is to potentially extend into this loft. We have a massive pitch roof on this property, as you saw from outside. So the goal is we could actually get probably another 3 bedrooms up there and 3 bathrooms. So if we wanted to expand it, once this starts to really generate some good capital, we could go into the loft as well in the future, which is pretty cool. Now we'll go out here into the main bathroom and the main bedroom of this part of the barn. We have a little cupboard there. Nothing really much to see, but then we have kind of the master bedroom in here. You know, large king bed, huge wardrobes, drawers, desk. We're going to put a TV on the wall here. And then we have the main ensuite. Again, it's self-explanatory. You have your toilet rail. Toilet rail? Towel rail, sink, toilet, bath. Also separate shower as well. You know, rainforest showers. So we really want to make this a luxury feel. So when people are staying here at this Airbnb, not only they can sleep a lot of people, but also it's going to be a real luxury property to stay at while they're here in Norfolk as well. Cool. And then we'll head downstairs and I'll show you the heart of the home. So if you haven't done already, just make sure you check out some of our other videos on our page. We have some great testimonial videos from clients that I've worked with do projects just like this one, but also we have some series about HMO conversions we've done and other properties we've done in the area. So make sure you're subscribing if you're not already, but also go and check out some of them videos on there as well. So we'll pop through here first. We're having a slight dilemma at the moment with the sofa, but if you come on in here, the plumber's now arriving, typical. This is the main living room of the house. So as you can see, you've got a large sofa, which is going to get, you know, the rest of the sofa in here. And we've got a huge fireplace, which is probably my favorite thing in the whole house. We've got like a nice brick fireplace there as well. And then we'll pop through. And I'll pop our head in the main bathroom. Again, because a lot of people are going to have dogs and things when they come here, we want to make another shower down here to make sure if people have got dogs and stuff, they can then rinse them off, but also, again, another bathroom for someone to use here as well. So we head on through. We're going through to the dining room now. Again, massive open plan dining kitchen, sofa bed, again, so we can sleep some more people, and you've got them fantastic views. And then kitchens. In this property, we've actually replaced two brand new kitchens, 4 brand new bathrooms, and really improved the standard of finish on this property. So as you can see, you've got your large American style fridge freezer, huge island where wives at the moment going and buying some breakfast stalls and bars. We've got, you know, your Aga oven, dishwasher, washing machine, everything you need in this kitchen to really live to a quality standard as well. And we'll come on through. And then final part of this house, this is going to be more of a shared area between the 2 Airbnbs. We've got a little bit of a utility room here. You know, this is going to be for washing, drying, and the cleaners to use as well for the Airbnb. Cool. And now, this is now the annex, all right? So we're going to pop into the annex part of the kitchen, the house. This is that door I showed you before, and this part of the house is self-contained. So again, it can be used as one large Airbnb if needed, or most case scenario, it's going to be allowed to sleep 6 different people as well. So if we come on through, as you can see, brand new kitchen, all brand new appliances. And if you fling around this side as well, we have fridge freezer, dishwasher, brand new sink, everything you need, again, to be self-sustainable in here as well. Slightly different layout. So this is your living dining area. Again, we're gonna have 2 large sofa beds this end as well. So again, it can sleep another 4 people down here. Got a nice table and dresser. And then we're gonna be putting the TV on a TV stand as well. And again, we've got French doors at the back. The plan with this is, eventually, we're gonna be putting a covering over this, and then we'll have a hot tub here. So people that stay here in the hot tub, they can have access to these beautiful views as well. You've got your electrics and everything under that cupboard there as well. And if we head upstairs, this is a brand new staircase we put in. Again, like I said, we used to have access to this part of the barn through here. So this is the airing cupboard behind here. We're at the start. And there was a door through this way. So you used to be able to go through here, up and down the corridor to get to the annex. But now, as you can see, we made it self-contained, put a stairway in here. So the only way to access it now is through that door we just came in. And then finally, this is probably my favorite ensuite in the whole house, to be fair. Got a beautiful 4th ensuite, rainforest shower, toilet, sink, everything you need to live comfortably as well. And then finally, if we head back downstairs, I'll just quickly explain to you a little bit about the numbers on this one. And then also, one final thing I forgot to mention, there also used to be a doorway here as well. So that was the doorway that got you into this half of the house, rather than having to go through there as well. So, final numbers on this one. We're really excited to deliver this deal. You know, it's been completely all money out. It was originally bought for £450,000. When we bought it on a bridging and development loan for £450,000, we've then spent just over £100,000 on all renovation, including internal flooring, carpets, paint and decorating, electrics, plumbing. We've done 4 new bathrooms, 2 new kitchens. We've really, really improved the standard of finish on this property. That's all come in at just over £100,000. And on the back end, we've just received an end valuation of £780,000. So as you know, with the 75% loan to value, we were all in for around £565,000. And we're pulling out £585,000. So it's all money out plus 20K. We're using all that surplus then to make the place an unbelievable Airbnb. And on the Airbnb market, booking.com, cottages.com, Airbnb, direct bookings, we should generate around £36,000 a year in net cash flow just from this one deal alone. So if you can learn how to do deals just like this one, you know, this can replace an average salary just in one deal. So hopefully you found this video useful. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and stay tuned for the next one.